Hey, it's Cole from Tough Cookie. Please, if you haven't already, like and subscribe to my channel. I am doing a review on the Resin Geode poster mold that I purchased. It came in a bag with a note and contact information on the back, and I really did like that. And the link for that will be in the description box along with the supplies that I'm using. Here is the gold flakes. I'm using also Martha Stewart's acrylic paint and wedding cake. Mica powder in sky blue. And a hard candy eyeshadow from Dollar Tree that I made into a powder. And along with 4 nail glitters that I combined together. By me mixing the gold flakes in with the resin and keeping it kind of chunky instead of a flow, it makes it easier just to kind of push the glitters and the flakes around and get into position where you want. The worst thing is to see, your coasters and it looks like it's a spot missing, or it just doesn't look full. So that's what I'm doing now, and I'll be doing it a little later with the blues glitters that I mixed together. So at the top of the mold, I'm pouring the glitters, and with that, it has like nooks and crannies at the top of the coaster. So you want to make sure you're filling those spots in. So you may have to do a little pushing or scraping to get into those little areas, because you want to definitely make sure you're filling those in. Hey, hey you. Yes, you. Have you liked and subscribed? If not, go ahead and do so and turn your notifications on. Thank you. So here's some clear resin that I have. So I'm just pouring that in between the gold mica flakes and the glitter. So I'm pouring the hard candy eyeshadow that I made into a powder. So I'm just pouring that into the coaster mold now. So now I'm pouring in the sky blue mica powder. So now I'm just gonna pour the white acrylic mixed in with my resin straight across into like a line. So with this step, I'm just pouring more clear resin into the coaster, just to have a certain thickness to the coaster. These coasters, they are kind of thick, and I actually made too much resin and wasn't quick enough to work with, so it started to harden on me. Oopsie. So here I'm using the heat gun just to pop any bubbles that's coming to the top. Also, I'm trying to blend that white line into the other colors as well. So now I'm using a toothpick and just kind of creating lines back and forth from the top to the bottom of the row of the last color I did, just to further blend it. I wanted to see more of the coaster being clear in the middle, so I'm pouring more resin into the coaster to get it to separate some.
24 hours later.
So overall, I love this coaster mold. It's easy to work with. The coaster mold itself, it feels like a thick plastic. It has a very nice size to it. I will be using it again. So here I am just popping it out, which was very easy to do. The only thing that I would say is just be mindful of making sure you're filling in those little nooks and crannies. But other than that, this mold is great, and it was a decent price as well. So again, the link is in the description. So if you're into resin and you're looking for this coaster mold, try this one out. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and turn your notifications on. Use the comment section. Let me know, what do you think my next tutorial or video should be. Thank you for watching again. See you later.